I would love for you guys to really look at this. This is my pomegranate. I thought it was not gonna make it. I was keep checking the stem. I was scraping away at the bark to see if it's gonna make it. It is August, it's going towards the winter, and now it's decided to open up to me and show me some love. I don't know where the plant is getting its time in, but I think we just have to always go with the flow with nature. It's finally opened up and shown me some love, show me some life. And I think it respects me. I did actually threaten it a little bit, but I kind of think it works, you know. Maybe a little threat now and again helps, I don't know. But I think it's great. Get rid of these bushes. Some TLC with some hard loving. Lovely. Just don't do that to other people. You find it's a difficult thing. Just don't do that at all. It's not important. But your plants are lovely. Look at that. I'm so happy for it. Paid a lot of money for you, man. Show me some love. But next time, don't be leaving it till August. You know, I thought I wasn't gonna make it, but hey, this is your boy, Mr. Green Hands, and please, sometimes, just let the plants do what the hell it feels like doing. You just sit back and watch your garden blossom, like this. It's beautiful. See you guys soon. Don't forget, take care of the planet, because we have to.